Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay December 8, 2024 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong December 8, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Sunday, December 8, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for December 8, 2024, Sunday. Here is the tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Sunday, December 8, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of December 8, 2024, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.